Good morning, YouTube. We took a dub today in the market. Want to see the dollar go higher, and we did see it. I shorted euro, took about 40 pips out of it. But my bias for today to be bullish was right here. An SMT Divergence, which ICT, AKA Michael, has taught me over the years. And with fair value gaps, SMT Divergence for me is one of my favorite things to see. Gets me excited to trade. So here we saw lower low. The euro we saw higher high. And the pound saw lower high. A few videos ago, there was an SMT Divergence that was opposite of the bias. So I believe the pound went higher after an SMT Divergence happened, but with the bullish dollar, I was only looking for sells. And I know yesterday, after seeing price action, I wanted to see the dollar go lower, but after we failed and then realizing this SMT Divergence, I came to the conclusion that we'd probably run for these highs and then come back up into this area. So with seeing that, I ended up taking a trade at 98.35. Which, so if you look down here, I took the trade at 9, which is right here. So on this candle, bearish order block, went in the red a little bit, dropped down, came back up, didn't take out any major highs, continued lower. The reason why I got out here and I didn't let the trade run, when it was at 2,000, it brought me over the 2% mark, which is what I aim for in my week, 2 to 3%. We came down into this potential bullish order block. And with the news at 8:30, the CAD CPI, I didn't want to take a risk of that affecting the dollar and reversing it and then reversing up here. I mean, these highs are still pretty clean. So I took my pips, took my dub, got out of the market. You know, as you can see, I was only in the market for, 4.5 hours? So not a very long trade, not a short trade, but it was nice to see price for the most part, you know, go one-sided. We had this little impulse here. And this impulse could scare traders out. Now, if this low went below this low and then had a retracement, took out a swing high or some highs, I'd be a little more inclined to take some off, maybe lower my stop a little bit, take some profit. But since we left this equal low in, I was pretty confident we were going to shoot for it. Ideally, maybe take off half the position or 70% and let the rest run. But again, the fact that I could be done for the week and enjoy the rest of my week and then just look at the price action, less stressful, really let me get in tune with the market in a way where I'm not stressing about any kind of trade. So I wanted to come on here, show you that. Nice to see the account in the fours. Ideally, by the end of the month, I like to see that 10 to 12,000. See if we can't get there. If you traded today, hope you stole some pips. Hope you didn't get smoked too bad if you took a loss. Be safe. Thank you, ICT. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.